Alright, ready? Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues here. So, we're going to take it back a few years, like a few decades, you know. Swordfish Oscar. Okay, it's going to be a seared swordfish. And we're going to do a hollandaise. And we'll do some nice asparagus. 99 cents a pound. It's asparagus season here in New England. And so, you know, always it's like asparagus, you know, you boil it. I don't like to do that anymore. I always kind of saute it up now. So that's what we're going to do with that. I got my butter back here. I'm going to melt that down for the hollandaise. And so we're going to knock this hollandaise out pretty quick. Just separate the yolk from the white. I don't really have a use for the whites today, unfortunately. Use your fingers if you need to. So I'm going to put this together, like by the time it takes to cook that swordfish, our hollandaise will hopefully be ready. And we're going to time it where this could be like a 10-minute dish. A little salt and pepper. Turn them sideways, see that? So we rotate them around. Take a little bit of this. Watch out now. Look at that. Okay. So take a little bit of blackened seeds. I'm not going to flour this. Get just a nice, light, easy sear on it. Okay, on the hollandaise, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper. I'll put a little bit of water. We have our hot. Very important to cook the egg yolk. Slow cooking the swordfish. We don't want to really like hard sear on it. We want to keep it nice and moist. There we go. That's kind of consistency we want right there. Okay. Then so much flavor when you saute them instead of blanching them off. See that? Beautiful. Put my crab meat in. Okay, my butter, I just want to get it melted. I don't want it too hot. So you put a towel, sometimes you put a towel underneath. I kind of control the the movement on the bowl with the whip. So, you know, here's what you can do too. You can you put it right on there. You kind of hold it. I want a little bit, just a little bit of water in it. I use this for my special tonight, Glenn.
There you go.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Absolutely.
Or nice of saying is feed two birds with one hand. So that's it. That's a nice hollandaise. Over here. Our grass is almost there. Finish this off. Look at that, just cook the other side just to bring the heat back to the top half. Then we're going to put the hollandaise over first. We're going to cover up all that nice crab meat, right? All that beautiful asparagus. Just a little bit. That's it. Swordfish Oscar. Easy to do. Just go grab some crab meat at the store. Make it for your loved ones. You know. Let's try the asparagus. What a difference sauteed asparagus versus boiled. Keep the natural flavor. This is Daddy Jack's going with the blues. Hope you really enjoy it. Glenn Peltier on camera. We got a nice, cold, cool spring day up here in New England. 50 degrees, 55, should be 68. Glenn last week was down in Naples. Said it was 85 degrees. Well, you know what? I like the four seasons. I don't mind. Peace.